It's a low cost, low risk business model that can be scaled globally.
For example, Gulrate from India and Mr. Beast from the United States. He's having a net worth of more than $100 million and his videos cost a lot of money.
And then he ended up with an app that's called FreeUp. That's a platform where you can connect with freelancers with the clients.
Hello everyone, welcome to a new channel. So we have just started this new channel for all the aspiring businessmen, entrepreneurs and the hustlers who are just holding back because of the money. So here is a good news for you. You really don't need millions of dollars to start a new business, because all the successful businessmen, they've just started with the very little or no capital. So you can also be a very successful businessman. In this video we will discuss 5 different business ideas with the real life strategies and how much money we need to execute all those business ideas.
Alright guys, let's explore a really cool opportunity that's perfect for those who want to start small but think big. It's called dropshipping. So what exactly is dropshipping? It is essentially an online business model that has an online store where you don't need to hold any inventory. Yes, you heard that right. That's the best part of it. Suppliers ship directly to your customer. Now let's talk about the initial cost. These are super low, which is why I love this dropshipping very much. These include a Shopify subscription of $30 a month, around $10 a domain per year, and marketing from anywhere to $100 to $300, and that's it. Now let's talk about the profit margins. These range from around 10% to 30%, but dropshipping is scalable globally, and this is really impressive thing about this. So there you have it, dropshipping in a nutshell. It's a low cost, low risk business model that can be scaled globally. If you are interested in starting an online business, I would recommend you to check out dropshipping. So now let's move on to the next idea.
Many people nowadays are earning a good amount of money by posting their views on social media platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, TikTok or Facebook. As you know, that there are many YouTubers who are earning a very good amount of income. For example, Gulrate from India and Mr. Beast from the United States. To start a YouTube channel, minimum investment is required. As previously I gave example of Gulrate, his first video was posted by iPhone 6 in a swimming pool, and now he is earning revenue in millions. So by creating a YouTube channel, people can earn through their ad revenue, through their sponsorships, and by merchandising their businesses. So similarly, Mr. Beast started his YouTube channel with zero investment, and now he's having a net worth of more than $100 million, and his videos cost a lot of money, and he is now having a good budget to post each and every video. So creating a YouTube channel or posting videos on Facebook and social media platforms like this is a very good decision, which require a little bit time, but in future it is very healthy and growthful. Still, if you want to invest on your YouTube channel, you can start with a good camera, a lighting setup and a good microphone, which will improve the quality of your videos and your reach throughout all your potential viewers.
Let's talk about the next idea, that's starting a freelancing agency. If you have any skill like writing, coding, graphic designing, anything, you can start freelancing by today. You don't need any heavy equipment, fancy office or huge investment. You just need a simple laptop with a solid internet connection, that's it. In the beginning, you can work solo, you can gain experience, you can get client base, you can get wrestlers, and once you get a good amount of experience, then you can outsource the work, you can get a small team and you can start your own agency. If you break down about the cost, it will be nothing. The first thing, you need just a laptop. If you own it, then it's a zero cost. The second thing, you would be requiring a website that will only cost you $50 a year. And the third thing, you can do marketing of your freelancing projects via LinkedIn, via Facebook Marketplace, via YouTube, via Instagram, via TikTok. Now here's an inspiring example of Mr. Nathan, who just started at first as a freelancer, and then he ended up with an app that's called FreeUp. That's a platform where you can connect with freelancers with the clients. And then later on he sold that platform platform for millions of dollars. If you are working as a solo, you can get good client base and you can get up to $1,000 per month. And then if you have a good team and if you have a small agency, you can even earn up to 10,000 or even more. That's how it works. So if you have this ability, don't sit idle. Start by working today, and you can also earn a good amount by just sitting at home without any investment. It's very simple, very easy to earn a huge amount. Thank you.